So you want to create a chat space for your class. You can do that in Harmonize, which is most often used for discussion boards, or through the native chat tool in Canvas. Let's get started with Harmonize first. First, you'll want to enable Harmonize in your Canvas course if you've not already done so. Go to your course settings, click Navigation, and then enable the Harmonize tool. You can drag and drop to reorder the items in your course navigation. Don't forget to click Save. Once Harmonize is enabled, you'll be tempted to click into it. That's not the most straightforward way to use Harmonize, so we recommend against it. Your students will never see this link in the navigation. Instead, go to your modules and add an external tool to your chosen module. Then scroll down to Harmonize and click that. Now select the Harmonize tool you want to add. We're adding a chat. Give your module item a name. I've given mine the name Harmonize Chat, but I'd recommend something like Class Chat. Let's see what it looks like. Click into your new class chat and take some time to investigate the page. You can select your class, then select individual students by clicking their names, which will add them to the To field. Only students on a chat will see chat messages. You can add this same link to any other module. Just go through the same process again. Canvas also has a native chat tool. You add it in the same way you add a Harmonized chat, create an external tool link in your module. Instead of selecting Harmonize, select Chat. All students in the chat can see what's posted here. This would be useful as a back channel during a live or streamed event. Thanks for watching.